Is your Vizio Smart TV not turning on and black screen problem? If so, this video is made for you. Step 1. Unplug your Vizio TV from the wall. If your TV has a power button, press and hold it for 30 seconds. Then wait a full minute before plugging it back in. Step 2. Remove batteries from the remote. Hold the power button on the remote for 30 seconds. Now insert new batteries and try again. Step 3. Check your HDMI cable. Remove any HDMI extension and try a new cable in a different port. Sometimes it's just a bad connection. Still no display? Shine a flashlight at the screen. If you see a faint image, your backlight is likely dead. Need to repair or replace? Like and follow for more TV repair tips. Got questions? Drop a comment.